splash more colour on the robot's leg, and done.
Dr. Joel, you're on. You're on.
Oh, you caught me exercising the creative part of my scientific brain with a spot of artwork. What do you think? I'd like to see a robot do that. Actually, I really would like to see a robot do art.
Robots can help humankind with lots of things, like dangerous tasks and moving heavy objects.
But did you know robots can also help us make art? Hi, I'm Jared from QUT.
And I'm Monica from UAP. And here at our workshop, we fabricate huge art projects with the help of this, our own design robot. This industrial robotic arm usually works in factories, but we've repurposed it with the help of QUT. Now this arm helps shape and design art objects, like sculptures and decorative features on large buildings. When you're working on a scale much larger than your own body, this robotic power comes in very handy. That's because big artworks can be slow, heavy, and dangerous to make. But our robotic arm can lighten the load by helping to make these pieces a faster, safer way. So how does it work?
Let's fire up the arm and see it in action.
The arm is bolted to the floor behind these glass panels for safety. It's a no-go zone when the arm is working. Once the artwork design is programmed in, we can start the robot's work by remote control. Then, the robot uses a toolbox of cutting tools to cut shapes from materials like foam and wood.
The robot's main job is to carve super precise moulds for the different pieces of large metal sculptures.
The moulds need to be perfect. When they're done, liquid metals like bronze and aluminium can be poured into the moulds and set. These metal shapes are then cut, assembled, and installed into place.
It's also handy for making scaled miniatures, so big artworks can be carved at a smaller size first. That allows us to see if the design will work in the space before we build the real thing. Our projects have included a huge fusion of layered metal, a twisting aluminium ribbon, and even a whole ceiling of multicoloured books for a library.
We've got big plans for the future of our design robot.
The next step is to implement scanning technology so the robot arm could work visually, making changes as it goes. Seeing in detail means our robot could do more specialised tasks like finishing and polishing.
And that means artists and technology could soon team up even more to make the amazing artworks of the future.